So last night we had a visitor. The chickens have an automatic door. They go in, door closes at dark, opens at 7 a.m. While they were up on their roosting bar, which I should have removed this ramp probably now that they're bigger and can fly, just probably enabled them to get slaughtered from the ramp. I don't know if he could have reached them without the ramp, but pretty sure it was a weasel. If you can see here, there was just my buddy Buck's garage. I made a video on this. He had this wire on here. It's like 2-inch by 2-inch grid wire. The weasel came up on here. I know he came up through here because, well, the chickens were in, the doors were closed, it's sealed up tight. This we leave open at night so it's been warm, just so they have fresh air. Well, the weasel came up on here and went through the 2-inch by 2-inch wire. Went in there, slaughtered 10 of our 12 chickens. Just killed them all, cut their heads off. Bull crap. So I have 4 homemade weasel traps. I'm gonna set them up on a perimeter around the coop in the woods. And hopefully I catch that piece of crap. And hopefully he's still alive so I can beat him. But yeah, we just got these 2 chickens left. The ones on the left we call Big Bird. But I don't know how they made it. And all the rest got slaughtered. It's bull crap. But my wife, well, I had to go do a job. And my wife put this finer. It's only like maybe 3/4 of an inch, if that, by 3/4 of an inch screen over top. Just pulled all the screws out, put this on. It's all secured down, so he should not be able to get through that. But we got these 2, and now we have to get more and start over. It's like just really a pain. You got a lot of time, a lot of money. It takes like what, 4 to 6 months before chickens start laying eggs. Have probably $100 in chickens, another, probably $150 total in chickens and feed, not counting the coop and what all the other stuff. And just for some piece of crap weasel to come and just slaughter them, I think he just eats their heads or just a little bit. I got this small box trap. I'm trying to catch a dang chipmunk that keeps going in here and making a mess. He takes all the chicken food, digs all the chicken food out of their feeder just to get the seeds out of it, and makes a mess. So I'm trying to catch him, but he doesn't seem to have enough weight. He's going in there and eating the seeds I put in there, but he's not setting the box trap off. It might be too big for him. I don't know. So these are the traps my buddy Dave made. He used fence boards. These are probably just wood he had laying around. He said this is what they do in Alaska that he saw. He's got a hole drilled on the back. It's about 2.5 inches. He's got screen mounted in there, so they'll be able to smell the bait in here, but they have to go in the other side. Has a hinge on here. Has this clasp on here so they can't open it. It's locked shut. When you open it, you got your hole on the front that they'll have to come in from this side to get to the bait. There's the screen on the back. And you got a tuna can in here in the back. And your rat trap will be up, well, it'll be flipped around. I'll have this facing the hole. It'll be, 180 flipped around. I'll show you. So it'll be like that. So they'll have to come in, they'll hit that, and the rat trap will get them. Make sure you have enough clearance that the trap will, if you use these fence boards, you're fine. The trap will get them. We're using live chicken, or not live, we're using fresh chicken liver, and you have to change it out every day. So I'll put a piece of chicken liver outside the box, and I'll put a bigger piece in the tuna can in the back, set the trap, And then I have 4 of these. I'm gonna set a perimeter of my chicken coops there. I'm gonna go down in the woods about 25 yards and set 1 down here, 1 over there, and 2 over there. So hopefully that stupid weasel comes back tonight to try to kill the rest. And hopefully he finds this bait, and I hope it kills him. So when I came up, this trap was rolled. The whole trap box was rolled. The actual trap was tripped. This is a brand new rat trap. There's some fur in the under the trap. There's fluid all over. So I'm not sure. Hopefully it was a weasel. I don't know. Maybe it'll die from this. There's some blood, but it got away, unfortunately. Hopefully it dies, but I'd like to see it. I'm gonna go check the 2 more. So that's a good sign. At least got something in there.